The crankshaft position sensor, CKP sensor, is a critical component in an internal combustion engine. Its primary function is to monitor the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft. This information is essential for the engine control unit, ECU, to manage various functions. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can lead to several symptoms, including, number 1. Check engine light, the most common indicator. The light may illuminate if the sensor is malfunctioning. Number 2. Starting issues, difficulty starting the engine or failure to start at all. Number 3. Stalling, the engine may stall unexpectedly while driving, especially at low speeds. Number 4. Poor acceleration, hesitation or a lack of power during acceleration. Number 5. Rough idle, the engine may idle unevenly or roughly. Number 6. Increased fuel consumption, a malfunctioning sensor can lead to incorrect fuel injection timing, resulting in poor fuel efficiency. Number 7. Engine misfires, the engine may misfire due to incorrect timing of ignition and fuel injection. Number 8. Loss of power, a noticeable decrease in engine performance. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe buttons.